So my daughter's asked me to get the wax out of this because her name's Jessica and it's a J, and she wants the wax out of it so she can reuse it for whatever. Now how I do it is I use one of these, which is a heater gun. And what I do, bear with me because I'm in the garage and I haven't had a chance to clear it all out, but and tidy it up. I turn this on and I heat this up. And the reason I use the heater gun, heating it up, is because I can feel the glass so it doesn't get too hot, but it cracks. You get me? So what I do is, oh, it smells nice and fresh. Yeah, and then you can pour out the wax. Look, see all the wax pouring out on there. And then when it gets too hot to hold, you stop and let it cool down a bit. That way you don't burn your hands. There's no heat at the minute, it's absolutely stone cold still. So you can see inside it and look at all that wax coming out. And I just pour it onto the tissue. Because it's scented, it makes the garage smell nice. So it's a win-win. And then hold it up like this. Don't get me wrong, it does get hot. 100% it gets hot. But you can see how much comes out of it. I'll put it on an old bit of wood so at least the wood will smell nice. We're getting there, look, it's nearly clear. If you haven't got one of these heater guns, use a hairdryer. I'm sure you'll get around it with a hairdryer. And then keep hold of it, and then I just tip it up so I get all the corners out. Thankfully this is a thick bottom. Look how much of it's coming out. I'll probably use most of that again. And then what I do is, well, the glass is quite hot now, and I just literally try and get all that wax off. Now that's really gone hot now, so you've got to be careful. Plenty of tissues, but you can see that black is all coming off. Look, the black's all come off. Look at that, getting there, aren't we? So I'm moulding the glass with that tissue, not to burn my fingers, because trust me, it is warm. And then in you go. And I think we're all ready for to have it back. Look at that. Oh, there's a little bit at the bottom still. A little bit of wax at the bottom. I'll get that out. The reason why it's at the bottom is because the glass has got a thick base to it. Here it comes, here it comes. That's mighty warm now. Let's get that back in there. I won't give it to her yet because it's still too hot, but you get my picture. It's clean and shiny, all ready to go, and fill it up again with whatever she likes. I hope you enjoyed it, guys. It's different, isn't it? Good luck. Bye.